What's up, boys? I got a couple trades to go over this morning. Um, the first one that we're gonna go over, I didn't actually take. I was extremely close to taking it, but I mean, it ended up failing. I'm honestly not sure why. Because it really was a good setup. But I'll go over everything. And the second trade we ended up taking was the win on that short. And to start off, let's hop into the bias for the morning. It's kind of tough, right? Because I mean, we're really just kind of stuck in a range, honestly. Obviously, we had that 1,000 point move from Trump, so I'm not expecting us to move too much. But days like this, you got to be kind of neutral in a way, right? You don't be married to a bias. Be able to change direction um, mid like off of like reactions, right? Um, So that's kind of what we were doing today. Targets wise and stuff, we had this intermediate high above on the 1 hour time frame. Um, we did have this low, this intermediate low on the 15. So honestly, I told myself, if we come right down and sweep this, that would be our manipulation, and then you could look for like that Judas swing to the upside. Um, and then on the other hand, we had, just pretty much all of these highs, right? Like all these relative equal highs. I wanted to see the market, either if we don't come down, I want to see it come up, right? We also had this high up here as well. And then at that point, I want to see us come up and sweep all of that, and then get our Judas swing to the downside, right? And this is our manipulation right here. Replay. So we swept out this right away, right at the 9:30 candle, formed this 1 minute inversion right here. Got a pretty solid close, I want to say. So you definitely could have taken this just for like a little one-to-one. Now again, it wouldn't have played out, but the setup was there, so you should not be mad about that at all. We came really close to TP. Honestly, I don't know why we reversed like that. That really doesn't make too much sense. But after it got stopped out, I realized what we were doing. We were simply going to sweep out 930 highs, right? We left the wick. 930 highs and lows are extremely strong for point for where price would want to go. I've seen it all the time. I told my student it felt like deja vu because I swear I have seen this setup before. Uh, and it really from here it just comes down to displacement and then therefore seeing the highest time frame inversion. So I play it forward a little bit here. It was a 2 minute inverse that I was looking for. I got the close, beautiful close. Stop loss, I'll explain that in 1 second. It went at the midpoint of the first wick. Again, at this point, like I wouldn't want to be in the trade if we come all the way up here. I found that as a pretty safe spot. And yeah, break even was right down there. Boom. And boom. Super clean trade. The delivery was perfect. There was one red candle in the whole entire delivery. And that was right off of the inverse. But other than that, like the delivery was just there. And it's a beautiful, beautiful price action, beautiful day. It's payout day for me. This trade helped me secure that last winning day and more. So nothing to complain about there. Extremely happy with how this week played out so far. Obviously, we got tomorrow. We got CPI tomorrow. I'm probably gonna buy some accounts, try to pass some more with the CPI method. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully I can send out another recap tomorrow if we do take a trade in the actual AM session, besides CPI. So yeah, boys. With that said, I will leave it here, and I will catch you boys hopefully tomorrow. So peace out. Leave any comments if you need to. If you have any questions, let me know. But other than that, we'll